All right, what's going on, traders? Welcome to today's trading recap. First things first, happy Monday. It was another profitable trading day in all of our live accounts, even though many people thought it was going to be a slow week, right? And I can't stand this, right? I cannot stand this narrative that's out there that says just because it's a holiday week, the market's going to be slow. How do you know that? Right? You don't have a crystal ball. I mean, this market's been on an absolute tear almost every day. And how I look at it is professional traders and people that take this game seriously will trade every day, holiday or no holiday. And on the flip side, the other type of traders, what I call the retail traders, the amateur traders, and the degenerate gamblers, well, yeah, if you were in that category, then yeah, you probably didn't trade today because you were mentally checked out, right? It's always going to be the difference, folks, between professional traders, which I imagine many of you guys and gals want to aspire to be, versus retail amateur traders. You understand? Anyway, let's get to it, folks. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. You know it is good to be with you. I love doing these recaps for you and showing you and proving to you beyond any shadow of a doubt how incredible trend trading has been for me. All right? Because we've programmed a really powerful trend trading indicator known as the vol. It's a green and red color band like you see on the screen right now. And all this thing does is tell me which way to play the market, right? And you only have two decisions, long or short. You're either a buyer or you're a seller. That's it. And there's a reason why so many of my customers and clients have straight up crushed it this year using this volume indicator, and why I think we're going to do very well in 2024, because the volatility is not going away next year. In fact, I think the volatility is going to increase, and the signals that I see on the vol here are going to be supercharged. You understand? But how this thing works is it's a simple trend detection tool. All right, how I teach my customers and clients is when it turns green, you're on the alert and looking for setups. But we only want to take the highest probability setups. We don't just want to take any old random bar. You understand? Because if we did, we would just be just another degenerate gambler like so many fake traders are out there, right? People that are fussing around with their candlestick charts, their Bollinger Bands, their moving average stochastics, whatever nonsense. Like, I will never understand how people traded this year using this garbage. I just never will, right? Because once you learn a system that's clean and organized and the price action moves in a very orderly fashion, then I think it's going to be a game changer for you, right? Anyway, how I look for setups, okay, is I want to see the market not only turn green, but it's got to come back and give me a nice deep retracement. You understand? Meaning, like, I'm looking for two things to be true. There's got to be a color match, meaning a green bar, as you can see right here. Let me highlight this for you. All right, a green reversal bar against the green band, and this bar's low has got to be substantially underneath the band. That's what makes it a nice retracement. Okay, and that's why I call it a perfect trading setup. I mean, I keep saying this, man, but you would honestly be shocked at how often these patterns and these retracements show up on a daily basis. I mean, I'm still shocked, and I probably will continue to be shocked at how accurate this thing nails the pullback. All right. Anyway, so you guys know what comes next, right? I simply draw out my profit grid. All right, here's what a profit grid looks like. Here's the entry on the position, here's the stop loss on the trade, and this spacing here represents the risk on the trade. So what I look to do is I look to get out of the trade at 1-to-1. As soon as the market hits this location in the chart, I have locked in profits, and I've taken a lot of the anxiety and stress out of my trading. You understand? I feel that that's a big portion, right? I mean, let's just be honest. A big portion of trading every day is the mental and psychological aspect. It is very stressful if you don't know what you're doing, and I imagine it's very stressful if you're a beginner. But here's an easy way to just get rid of all that stress, right? Just get yourself to break even, and whatever happens that day is going to happen, right? You've locked in profits. And this is just the first part of the grid, all right? On the NASDAQ, here would be 2-to-1, here's 3-to-1, here's 4-to-1. And I told you, 4-to-1, which is all the way up here, gets hit very frequently on the NAS. I'm telling you, man, you would be shocked at how often you hit 1 to 4 when you catch the right retracement like we did all the way back here. So listen, folks, as we transition into a new trading year, I hope all of you guys and gals have a very, very good attitude, a great mindset, and above all else, you got to have the discipline, folks, to force yourself to always trade in the direction of the trend. How many people do you think got burned this year by going against the trend, right? Even on a day like today, how many people do you think shorted it here, got their face chopped off? They shorted it here, got their face chopped off. They shorted it here as it just surged right in their face. You understand? And how I look at it is, isn't it easier to just trade in the direction of the trend, right? Isn't it easier to simply have a green and red indicator that can detect volume, pushes around the market, and use that information to maybe make a trading decision, right? I mean, honestly, man, I cannot tell you how many sob stories I've heard this year of people just blowing out multiple accounts, and you know what they all have in common? They have all traded against the trend. They've all tried to catch bottoms or nail tops, and an overwhelming majority of them still use garbage charts. They'll probably never change, right? So really, I am speaking to all you traders out there that have an open mind, that really want to supercharge your trading success in 2024. There's never been a better time to get started trading the market. My customers and clients have straight up been crushing it this year. And if you've been on the fence, man, it's time to get your butt off the fence, get off the sidelines, get involved. Congrats to all of my people out there who caught this trade. What an incredible start to the week as usual. We love starting the week with huge gains, and I'll see you on the next trade. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.